To develop a profitable trading strategy using indicators on TradingView platform, begin by adding PSAR support and resistance indicator. Then navigate to indicator settings and adjust the input section so that the time frame is set one time frame higher than the chart's time frame. For instance, if your chart is set to a 5-minute time frame, set the indicator's time frame to 15 minutes. Next, set the shift option to 11. Start value to 0.01. Increment value to 0.005. And the maximum value to 0.3. Then disable all options except for buy and sell options in the style section. A simple approach to trading with this indicator is to enter a buy trade when a buy signal is displayed on the chart. And you can also enter a sell trade when a sell signal is displayed on the chart. However, this indicator offers an interesting option in its settings that can help to filter out false signals. To activate this option, in the input section, change the second moving average length option to 100. And then set its type to WMA mod. Then enable the moving average to option. So when the price is above this moving average, it indicates a bullish market. And when the price is below the moving average, it indicates a bearish market. Therefore, enter a buy trade with the signal of this indicator only when the candlestick has a signal above the moving average. And enter a sell trade with the signal of this indicator only when the candlestick has a signal below the moving average. To gain a better understanding of how to trade with this indicator, examine a few examples on the Ethereum chart with a 5-minute time frame. So you saw that by making only 3 trades, we gained 131%. And if you want to earn similar profits in your trades, join our Telegram channel TradeGenius and use our trading signals. The link of the channel is displayed in the description of this video. To enhance our trading setup, we need to integrate the MACD demo indicator. In the settings section, we should adjust the demo period to 200 and then the demo line to 400. Moreover, we need to disable all options except for the histo option. By adding this indicator, after we have confirmed the buy signal with the first indicator, we need to check the MACD demo indicator. If the histogram is green, we can consider the buy signal as valid and enter a buy trade. Similarly, after we have confirmed the sell signal with the first indicator, we should check the MACD demo indicator. And if the histogram is red, we can consider the sell signal as valid and enter a sell trade. And to make this trading strategy even more profitable, we can add 10 indicators in one indicator. In the settings of this indicator, we should disable all options except for the RSI option. Then adjust its color to your liking. Then head over to the input section and change the RSI length to 28. Now it's time to review the percentage rules for entering trades using this exceptional and excellent strategy. But before we proceed, if you found this video useful, please support us by liking this video. And also don't forget to click on the subscribe button below the video to receive the latest updates from our channel. To enter a buy trade, a buy signal must first be issued by the PSAR support and resistance indicator. In the next step, the signal should be confirmed by the MACD DEMA indicator, which means that the histogram of this indicator should be above 0 and green. In the third step, the indicator should be confirmed by 10 indicators in one, which means that the corresponding column of the signal candle should be green. And finally, to ensure the trade in the direction of the trend, the signal candle should close above the moving average. If all these conditions are met, the issued buy signal will be valid. In this case, you can enter the trade at the close price of the signal candle. And you can place the stop loss under the moving average or under the recent swing low. And to exit the trade, you must set the target twice as much as the stop loss. To enter a sell trade, a sell signal must first be issued by the PSAR support and resistance indicator. In the next step, the signal should be confirmed by the MACD DEMA indicator, which means that the histogram of this indicator should be below the 0 and red. And in the third step, the indicator should be confirmed by 10 indicators in one, which means that the column corresponding to the signal candle should be red. And finally, to be sure the trade in the direction of the trend, the signal candle should close below the moving average. So if all these conditions are met, the issued sell signal will be valid. In case you can enter the trade at the close price of the signal candle. Then you can place the stop loss above the moving average or above the recent swing high. And to exit the trade, you must set the target twice as much as the stop loss. Now it's time to check the trading setup in different market conditions by doing backtesting. So we conducted a backtest by executing 100 trades on the Euro USD chart with a 5-minute time frame. The setup has a win rate of 81% and we were able to achieve a 325% profit in just 8 weeks. However, if you want to learn the secret to making money through trading, don't miss this video that currently displayed on the screen.